slightly darker greenish. And what I'm going to do, the magic is going to begin now. So if you're all ready with your mixing and you're ready with your color, you have to look at the screen where I'm going to demonstrate the magic. Anvika, please keep yourself on mute. Yes, Reyansh, you want to say something? You have raised your hand. Okay. So I hope everybody is ready. And please look at the screen for the magic to unfold. And 1, 2, and 3. So we start applying the color on top of our fish. And the fish is still magically visible. Isn't that amazing, guys? The oil pastel resists watercolor.
My paper right now.
Yes, Sandhya, we can start. So the oil pastel resists the color and our fish is still visible. I love this step. I really, really love this beautiful step. And again, as I said, for watercolors, you need to have a lot of patience. Once we apply this, we are going to wait for it to dry fully. So I'm not sure how many of you have a class at 6 o'clock. It's 5:44 right now in my clock. And I'm sure in next 15 minutes, this technique is going to be done. So in case you have to leave, you may leave at 6. All those who are okay with waiting a bit more, you can wait till the end of the session. But we are more or less done. We are more or less going to be done very quickly. We just have to wait for this particular layer to dry fully before we can start putting darker shades on our fish. And then in the end, I'm going to show you some more sample greeting cards, which I have already made and kept them ready to show it to you guys. So have you all experienced the magic step? Kriti, how is it going? Yes, Sandhya, perfect. You can start the watercolor. Vanya, did you enjoy the magic step? Did your fish come out from the water?
Yeah.
Yeah, isn't it great?
Yeah.
So oil
Yeah,
resists water, right? It's a scientific thing that oil resists water. Oil and water cannot mix together. And that is why this is the most amazing technique all the watercolor artists still use in their paintings. All the famous artists love using this technique instead of oil pastel. Very nice, Riddhi. Instead of using white oil pastel, you can even use wax candle, but then it is even more transparent. So you have to have a lot of patience. Beautiful, Adi Jain, amazing. It's looking beautiful. So if everyone's fish bowl is it done, then you may just hold it on the screen. I'm going to come back to my normal screen and I want to see everyone's work.
I have a question.
Yes. Who's speaking?
Madhu.
Yes, Madhu, can you come on the video?
Yeah, 1 second. I just had a question.
Come on
When
the
we're
video,
doing
please.
it, does it only...
Come on the video. Come on the video. See, everyone hold your work if you're done. Wow, look at that. Ishita's green water.
Ma'am, can you see my...
Yeah, everyone's work is looking fabulous.
I have a question. Ma'am.
Ma'am, I thought changing into like dark green, it's changing into brown only, it's just changing like a little.
1 minute, 1 minute, Shreyansh. Madhu had a question. So Madhu's work I can see right now. It's looking beautiful, Madhurima. No, who's showing?
No.
I think your screen has just moved. Samet
No,
Shah showed me his work. Yeah, very good. Yes, Madhurima, what's your question? Quickly ask.
no. Does this work only have to be done with white, or can we use different
You can
colors?
use wax or you can use any other oil pastel as well. But white is predominantly used.
Okay.
Okay, everyone hold your work, please. I have not taken the screenshot. I completely forgot. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Are we ready? Are we ready? Yes. Beautiful. Kriti, is your work going good? Good job, guys. Good job. Now let's move on to the last step. And my things, the paper is now dry. And Shreyansh, you must have pressed your brush a lot on the paper so that the brown got mixed with your green in case your green was not bright enough. That could be one of the reason why your brown is showing more. But you need to wait and let it dry.
5 or 6 inches of
Okay, so now for the last step, we need to now give the darker shades. For this, we can directly use our palette. We need not again put the color in the, we can directly use the cake box. No need to go into the palette. I am going to give the similar colors, red, blue for the tail and purple for the fin and yellow for the mouth. So I'm going to kickstart. My first is red. I'm wetting my red cake. This time you should not take too much water.
to give the same color.
Sorry?
Is it compulsory to give
No,
the
it's not
same color?
compulsory, but the reason I would say that you can give this is so that everyone's work looks little similar. In case even one color is light, your fish will not show. So try to give
Yeah,
these
because
colors.
I finished the water.
You finished. Very good, Sandhya. Let it dry now. Okay, so
Yes,
now for
ma'am.
this last step, take less water, more pigment. Your brush has to be wet. Take the color on the brush directly from the cake and apply. I'm used to using my palette, so by habit my hand goes there. And I am now applying the darker color on the body. See how pretty the
Can
color
we
looks.
any color for the fishes?
You have to wait for your whole water thing to dry, okay? Otherwise, your entire bowl is going to get colorful, Sandhya. If the paper is wet, your colors will blend. It will not stay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let it dry fully.
Ma'am, but for the fish, can we use any colors we want?
Yeah, I prefer using darker shades so that the fish shows up. So if you are able to
Yes.
understand that, you can use whichever color you want. Don't use dull colors. Use brighter colors to make
Yes,
sure that
ma'am.
the fish is visible. So now the mouth I'm doing yellow and a mix of orange. And the last tail is going to be blue for my fish, dark blue. I love primary colors a lot.
Ma'am, I have to wait. My paper is totally wet now.
Yeah,
It's not
everyone
wet
whose
too.
paper is wet, please don't hurry. Please wait. Don't hurry at all. And this is
But
done.
ma'am,
My
I got
fish
the
is done.
shade.
For the bubble, I'm planning to use the blue. And this is how the fish is now ready. I'm going to wait and let it dry again fully. And once it is done, this will be the cover of my greeting card like that.
Ma'am,
Yes, who's speaking? Riddhi.
ma'am, can I give the same color for my tail and wings?
Try to give multicolor, just make it look little more vibrant. It makes it look little vibrant. Otherwise, once the session is over, you can experiment. I also want to show you my other cards, which I am done. So if everybody is done with the fish, we are all going to display it on the screen and I'm going to take a screenshot. So I am quite eager to see all of your work. And I hope you are enjoying coloring the fish in the brighter color. So this is the beauty of watercolor. Namrata,
Ma'am, it started today. Not here. So
Semal,
that's
just
why
a second. I'll tell
Can
everyone
we do
to
any
show
color?
together. Beautiful,
Ma'am, can we
Anna.
choose any color?
Ma'am, did
Okay.
you say something to me?
Sorry, whose work is this? Semal is good.
Ma'am,
can you see
mine?
Vedya, right? Please tell me your name.
Ma'am,
Yes, Miraya.
what color do you use for the tail?
I have used blue for mine, dark blue.
Okay.
Beautiful, Vanya. So this is why I was saying that if we all have similar colors, our everyone's fish would look similar. You know, if the red body, yellow, this. But if you have chosen to do different colors, everyone's fish will look different also. That's also fine. So color theory is again a very important concept in art. Color theory tells you about the choices of colors you can make for a good combination of palette. Kriti, are you done? SK, who's SK? Sanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
are you done? Beautiful.
Ma'am, can you see?
Is your white showing?
It's
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes,
Teacher,
Yashika,
mine.
very good.
It's the
Anvika,
dark
very good.
red one.
Anvika, very good. Very nice. Reyansh, are you done?
Ma'am, can you see mine?
No.
Srujana, right? Yes, Srujana, that's a beautiful fish. And I love your white strokes. Good job. Ananya and Anvaya, your greeting card is looking fabulous. Very cute. Miraya, wonderful. Beautiful work. Bring it closer, Miraya. Could you bring it a little closer?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, very nice, very nice. You have used a purple shade oil pastel. That's a good experiment. Have you used purple shade oil pastel?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah,
Are we all ready to display our work on the screen together?
No.
Are we all ready?
I am not done.
You're not ready. Reyansh is not yet ready.
I'm not done yet.
Adi Jain, very nice. Beautiful work. Very nice. Srujana, beautiful work. Ishita, really good. Anand, Udit Chawla, what's your name again? Ahana. Ahana? Yes, Ahana, very nice work. Samet Shah, wonderful work. Okay, so now the second, next thing is what you're going to write here, right? So this greeting card, you also write messages inside. So probably in future, if I might have a session, I might have a session on lettering for you guys in which I can teach you different forms of lettering. Oh, wow. That's a beautiful, colorful fish, Reyansh. Very nice. Good job. Beautiful.
Thank you.
Wonderful work. So I'm giving you 1 more minute. I want to see everyone's work on the screen at the same time. So shall we begin the countdown? 10, Okay, Shreyansh. I think you know what, Shreyansh, you have taken a very thin paper. That is why your paper has buckled up and taken lot of water inside. I can already see that your paper was very thin. So next
Actually,
time
ma'am,
use a
it's not
thicker
hard.
paper.
Is this type of paper?
Yeah, that paper doesn't work, Shreyansh. That is a printer paper. You need to use a drawing book paper. So watercolor medium requires you to use the right paper, the right brush, the right colors, and the right technique. What are the 4 things you need right for watercolor? Right paper, right brush, right colors, and right technique. And once you do, make sure that all these 4 are perfect. You will make amazing paintings. And watercolor is one of my favorite mediums. And I love experimenting watercolor and other things like color pencils, oil pastels. It's really fascinating for me. So are we all ready? Because I have to show you my other greeting cards for you to get some more ideas. I want everyone's work on the screen in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. On the screen, on the screen, on the screen, on the screen, on the screen. Yay. Beautiful. Adi Jain, come on, show your work. Now on the screen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone on the screen. One more time. Good job. Ritvika is really far from the screen and I can't see you, Ritvika. You'll have to come little closer and I can take one more screenshot which has you also in the picture. And I want to be in the picture with all of you. So I'm going to come on the screen again. And this is my work. And I'm coming with all of you in the picture. So let's smile with our greeting cards. 1, 2, 3, go. Nice. Yes, who's speaking?
Ma'am,
So everyone, the last segment of the session is where I'm going to show you some more work, some more ideas for you guys to use this technique and more greeting cards. Okay, so this is another greeting card which I had made. Can you see?
Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
Okay,
Yes, see,
can you
I
see
see.
now? Can you all see my screen?
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, some of you are
Yes,
able to see. Yeah, awesome. So this is another fish.
No, ma'am.
This is another fish, and I have let the water dry, and I have used the strokes to color the ripples on the water with a darker shade. This is another greeting card where I've used alphabet, my alphabet Bhakti B, and I have made flowers around it. Then I have made this bird, geometric bird. And then I have this, again, a happy birthday card with alphabet R. And this beautiful flower, again with oil pastel, and then I've done multiple colors at the back. So these are some of my ideas which I tried to do using this technique, and I would love to see your greeting cards. So please share them with the group, or you might want to like the page Asma Films. You might want to join this group and share all your work with me. I would love to see your greeting cards. Okay, it was a great session, guys. Thank you so much. It's 6 o'clock and bye.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Very nice,
Bye, Sandhya.
Muskan. Beautiful
Bye,
job.
ma'am. Bye, everyone. Bye, Sandhya.
Ma'am, what's the Facebook page name?